Who knows of a hot water heater company? This is Reliance. We put this in. Guess when I put this in? Ozzy's Plumbing put it in for us. This is an oldies. Still heats very well. No problems. Just look at that. What does it say right there? 1991. Wow. Still heating strong too. Only flushed it maybe twice the whole time we've had it. And right now it's 2023, February. October. 1991 right there. Don't even have an overflow tube on it. Just have it set on B on the normal. Nothing too high. Man, great product. I don't know if they make them good like this anymore, but I know we've got our money's worth and some.